a new application of precision medicine is where we think we're going to see some major differences. And to explain it, use the example of rare diseases. Cystic fibrosis is a disease that we study at Hub and work with the industry for at Hub a lot. And the interesting part there is that it has a wide range of genetic variations, of which many are untreated at the moment. What we can do with organoids is that we basically take a sample of the patient with rare mutations for which there's no treatment. The sample we translate to organoids, we bring it to the preclinical side, we bring it to our industry partners and test the drugs that they're already making or that they're trying to make. And we find drugs that are specific for this patient group that indeed has a very high unmet need. And then translate this to clinical trial and basically back to the patient. And that circle is actually something that works. We are already doing that. So we have a collaboration with Xilis, for instance, that is developing a drug for a specific group of patients that was not treatable before. We make organoids of a potential group, we test them, and those patients go into clinical trial and then are treated with this new drug.
For future applications in precision medicine, I think the goal should be to have a biomarker-based approach that can be even taken by people at home, even before they are getting sick or at their annual physical exam with the doctor, so that everything gets as easy as just taking a pill.
Patients who suffer spinal injury, I saw a really interesting paper not long ago where they were able to sever the spinal cord in a mouse, take a cerebral organoid, put that into the spine, and then watch the neuronal signaling reoccur. And that's amazing to me. And so I feel like outside of cancer, there are so many applications for organoids and 3D modeling to help, many different types of diseases.
Imagine you need a knee transplant. Stem cells are harvested, bioprinted in the shape of a knee, and then transplanted back into your body. That seems to be the pinnacle of precision medicine for me. Another interesting area is the combinatorial approach of using organoids and immune cells to study infectious diseases. In fact, organoids were used to understand COVID-19 and Zika virus mechanisms, and it showed that they have impact on the GI tract and brain respectively. Therefore, the combination of organoids in vaccine development is very relevant in these times.